how to write a post or a thread on Threads app. Hello guys, and welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to write a new thread on this app. All what you have to do is very simple. Just go to Threads app and go to your profile from here. As you can see, this is my profile. Now what you want to do is click down here on this little icon. Now you can write a new thread from here. For example, let's say follow me, and go down here, click on post. Now as you can see right here, you will find your threads on your profile. And yeah, this is very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end.